My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware called AXLocker. AXLocker is a special ransomware type application that may affect Windows computers. This ransomware damages the files that users store on their hard drives. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents. All these documents can be easily opened without any troubles before the ransomware attack. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this AXLocker ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the device. And then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. This AXLocker ransomware encrypts the files and damages them essentially. It also drops this ransom note mentioning that the victims need to pay the ransom for file restoration. But paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file restoration, so don't ever pay the ransom. The ransomware actually adds a special extension to these files, and it's not really possible to open these files anymore because of this ransomware. But of course, you should not pay the ransom because there is no guarantee that if you pay the ransom, your data would be recovered. Don't pay the ransom. I forgot to mention that my video is solely for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. I'm simply showing you what can happen because of this ransomware. I recommend that you remove this AXLocker ransomware with the help of a reliable anti-ransomware tool called Combo Cleaner. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, and start researching your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and remove this ransomware. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely, the software would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. While the scanning is taking place, please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is a part of the premium license only. So the scanning itself might take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may also depend on how many hard drives are being scanned. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You will also be able to know their locations. I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to remove this ransomware and to protect your data against further ransomware attacks. Combo Cleaner removes this ransomware, but it does not recover the data.